In this video, we'll cover how to create an event on Eventbrite. To create an event on Eventbrite, you will need the Create Events permission, which can be found under your organization settings in Team Management. Starting from your upcoming events dashboard, click Create Event. Enter your event title. This should be less than 75 characters. It should be clear and concise. More detail about your event can be added later under the Basic Info and Details tabs. Choose the organizer profile hosting this event. The organizer profile is a single page where attendees can view all of the public live events that you currently have listed under that profile. Select a category for your event and add tag words. These will help us market your event effectively. Enter your venue location by searching the venue's name or address. If you're hosting an online event, we recommend visiting our Help Center or YouTube channel for content specific to online events. If you'll be announcing your venue at a later date, select To Be Announced. To host a reserved seating event, toggle on Reserved Seating and visit our Help Center for more content. This training video will focus on general admission events only. Enter a start and end date and time. You cannot sell tickets after the end time of your event. A single event has one start date and one end date. Recurring events should be used for events that repeat more than once at the same location, where attendees need to purchase a separate ticket for each time slot. If you are hosting a recurring event, please visit the resources on repeating events in our Help Center. If you want to hide the start or end time on your event listings page, all you need to do is click Advanced Settings and uncheck Display Start or End Time. Time zone will default to the time zone of your venue. Click Save and Continue to move to the Details tab. Add an event image by dragging and dropping the file or click to upload. Adjust the crop lines or reposition the image and click Save. Add a summary and description of your event. This will show up on Eventbrite discovery pages and in Google search. You can add additional text, image, or video blocks by clicking below. Click Save and Continue. Choose between a paid, free, or donation ticket type. Donation ticket types will allow attendees to choose the amount they'd like to pay. Enter the name of your ticket and a quantity that you'd like to sell. Enter the ticket price. Choose to absorb or pass on the ticket fees to attendees. To view how fees will apply to your tickets, click the View Details button. Select Start and End Date to pick a specific date and time for your ticket on sale. To have your ticket go on sale when another ticket goes off sale or sells out, select When Sales End For. Under Advanced Settings, enter a description for your ticket type and adjust the visibility of it. A visible ticket will show up for sale on your event page. A hidden ticket will only be accessible by an access code. To hide a ticket until the ticket goes on sale, select Hidden when not on sale. To hide your ticket for a specific date range, select Custom Schedule. Set the minimum and maximum number of tickets an attendee can add to their order and choose where you would like your tickets to be available for sale. Choose the delivery method for your tickets. E-Ticket will send a unique barcode to each attendee for entry to the event. Will Call will not deliver a barcode and will require attendees to pick up their tickets at the venue. Click Save. Select the country and currency of your event and click Continue. To copy your ticket, select Copy from the kebab to the right and enter the required information for your new ticket. If you'd like to sell merchandise or add-ons for your event, toggle to the Add-ons tab and create an add-on. If you'd like to hold inventory back from sale, you can do this from the Holds tab. The Settings tab will let you show or hide the number of tickets remaining for sale. For more information on these specific features, please visit our Help Center. If you're hosting a paid event, before you publish, you will want to click on Payments and Tax to set up your payout method, your refund policy, and your event tax settings. Your payout method tells Eventbrite how to send you your ticketing funds. Your refund policy will allow or restrict your customers from requesting a refund through the contact form on your event and in their order confirmation. And finally, you'll need to confirm your sales tax settings for your event. Depending on where your event is taking place, a growing number of states and municipalities require Eventbrite to remit sales tax on behalf of the seller. You can learn more about the Marketplace tax collection via our Help Center. Next, click on Publish to preview and publish your event. Always preview your event to make sure your event build displays as you'd like it to. Adjust your privacy settings and choose your Publish options. Publish Now will make your event live when you click Publish. Schedule Publish will allow you to publish your event at a later date. And that's how you create an event on Eventbrite. Visit our Help Center or YouTube channel to find more tips and resources to guide you through creating, managing, and promoting your events.